Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet a triangular granny. For making this triangular granny, I have used basic crochet stitches like double crochets and chain stitches. It's very easy to do and you can use this triangular granny pattern for making shawls, baby blankets and many more. So let's see how this is worked out. To start off with our triangular granny pattern, I'll be using a 4-ply cotton yarn and a 2.5 mm crochet hook. First make a magic circle. And into this magic circle work 4 chains. The first 3 chains will make the double crochet and the last chain will be the chain 1 spacing. Now going back into the magic circle, work 3 double crochet. Followed by 2 chains. And going back into the same space, work 3 more double crochet. The 3 double crochet followed by 2 chains and 3 double crochet will make the corner of a triangular granny. Again work 1 chain. Into the magic circle work 1 double crochet. Now pull the tail of the magic circle to close it. So that completes the first round. Now for the second round work 4 chains and turn your work. Into the chain 1 spacing of the previous round work 3 double crochet. Followed by 1 chain. Into the chain 2 spacing of the corner, work the corner. That is 3 double crochet. Followed by 2 chains and 3 more double crochet all into the same space. Work 1 chain and into the chain 1 spacing of the previous round, work 3 double crochet. Followed by 1 chain. And going into the third chain, work 1 double crochet in order to end the second round. Now for the third round, work 4 chains. And these 4 chains will make a double crochet followed by 1 chain. Turn your work and going into the chain 1 space done in the previous round, work 3 double crochet. Followed by 1 chain. Again, you will be coming across a chain 1 space. So going into the chain 1 space, work 3 double crochet. Followed by 1 chain. And whenever you come across the chain 2 space of the corner, work a corner. Followed by 1 chain. Into the chain 1 spacing, work 3 double crochet. Followed by 1 chain. Going back into the last chain 1 spacing, work 3 double crochet. Followed by 1 chain. And on top of the third chain, work the last double crochet. So that completes our third round. So from here on, this triangular granny is a repeat sequence of row 3. We'll be just working row 3 again and again for the desired length. I shall just summarize the sequence of row 3 so that you can work out the further rows using this sequence. Every row begins with a chain 4, that is 1 double crochet plus 1 chain, and into every chain 1 space worked in the previous round, you will be working 3 double crochets followed by 1 chain throughout this side of the triangle. And whenever you come across the chain 2 space of the corner, you will be working a corner, that is 3 double crochets followed by 2 chains and 3 double crochets. And one important thing that you should remember is that every corner should be succeeded as well as preceded by 1 chain. And moving to this side of your triangle, again into each of the chain 1 space, you will be working 3 double crochets followed by 1 chain. Also, into the last chain 1 space, you will be working 3 double crochets followed by 1 chain. And into the third chain, you need to work the last double crochet of the round. So I'll just work few more rows using the sequence I have just explained and get back. After working few more rows, this is how a triangular granny looks like. You can also alternately change yarn colors after every 2 rows so as to create beautiful triangular shawls using this pattern. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.